Correct answer is time. Question number 3. Words like some time ago, yesterday, and last year are terms that indicate Material source. Second option, written source. Third option, oral source. Is as follows. Coins are material sources. Forts are material sources. Biographies are written sources. Traditional songs are oral sources. Pots are material sources. Copper plates are material sources. Folk songs are oral sources. Stone inscriptions are written sources. Pillars are material sources. Rock cut carves are material sources. Letters are written sources. Folk tales are oral sources. Old structures are material sources.
Help EDUCARE channel. For coming videos, please subscribe this channel and get the videos instantly informed.